All right, so this is going to be a quick video of the fx6 fixture at 4747. The three-piece, what we're calling the lens kit. We were instructed by the site to remove these parts because they were falling out. So this is a quick video of how to put them together. This is a brand new fixture. I will show you the disassembly, then the reassembly of those parts. So it has a silver clip. It simply just presses on. And this is from the factory, so you see the alignment. There's a little notch right here in the black. This is where it goes down. There's three sections, three little feet. And it lines up with 1, 2, 3. So that just simply pulls off. The black ring will twist counterclockwise to loosen it, and then it'll pull up and out. So to put it back on, you just drop it straight down and twist it until it tightens. Right there, it's locked in. And then this would go back in that order right there. So the lens simply just pulls out. It's a little plastic LED lens. So one more quick preview. So it drops in, black ring goes down. You line up, there's holes here, or slots. Line up the slots because there's a little black tab. Has to go down in there, and then a quarter turns until you can't turn anymore. You just twist it, it's tight now, and then this silver clip goes right over top of those holes.